Good morning, viewers from around the world. This is Akumdit. I'm back again on a family issue matter, not politics. Only specific this topic address some lingering question among the South Sudanese community. The question of who are the people of Dupadiet. I'm one of them. And the question has been asked many few times to the point that it now got my attention. One of the subject matter was, Aduk Padiet people, are they Dinka? Are they Nuer? Are they what? Well, the answer is we are everything. We are everything you want us to be. We are Nuer, we are Dinka, we are South Sudanese. So that's my simple answer to the question many of you ask. Who are the people of Dukpadiet? Are they Nuer? Are they Dinka? Are they what? We identified ourselves as Dinka. We also identified ourselves as Nuer. We identified ourselves as South Sudanese. Any other question? And here's the breakdown of it. I say this in English and I'll say this in Tongmonjang to the critic of the people of Dukpadiet. In English, Dukpadiet is sub-tribe of many societies. We are the small United Nations of the entire communities in the Upper Nile. We have Nuer culture within ourselves. This is why you hear some of us are called Galwak, Toot, Gadwich, Nyawich, Nyabel, all these names, you know their names very well. When it comes, we also have Rumbek culture among us, because some of us came from Rumbek. You would see some of us speak the language of the origin leg state. Some of us have Ngok Dinka among us, myself included. You'll hear names like Akum, that's my Ngok, not any somewhere from Bor. Akum myself, you'll hear things like Ahmed. You'll hear family call themselves Gonya Ahmed family, that's my family, or Ling Ahmed family. We are all Dinka Ngok from a group called Pawing. We came from there. So yes, you might have been wondered who are the true people of Dukpadiet. Yes, I just explained. We are a mix of the Upper Nile region cultures. And it makes us unique, not because we choose to be. Our life created the situation to be that group called Gol. So if you hear me speaking in Tongnuara, if you see me speaking in Arabic, just know that I was born in Khartoum. If you see me speaking in Tongobor, just know that we are members of the Bor community in the Jonglei state. So there should be no any misunderstanding moving forward on this topic. Now you know, don't ask that question again. Don't ask that stupid question again. That who are these people of Dukpadiet? We are exactly the collections of Monjang in the Upper Nile region. Full stop. Have you understood that? Now, to wake Wegal die again. Apparently, to took Kwechol Kachut, Pierre Kwechol going south of Goben. There will come a time when you get tired of that bullshit and speak your mind. This is in response to the question Chalwell Kolwan about when the one in Yarwing or walk like a Dukan in Gerald. Kwaji Jachatich, Kara, you great shawhol, Yaka Yinga. Yakanwer, because honor in Yaka Choy Galwak, honor in Yaka Cholinya Witch, Onong nyire choli nyabel ku jala rin kok chaka ngej ye ka nur wala ka jeng wala ka tano. Well, but what answer we monjang ben yes, oko combination of jur kok of in the Upper Nile region. Onong inwer, that's true. Onong jeng rumbek, that's true. Onong jeng ngok, that's true. So, onong bor, onong twitch. Kalwel or combinations of all the tribe, okay, small United Nation of the Upper Nile group. Only in Dukpadiet you find different cultures, not anywhere else. And to me, Kayamanda Duk, if Nialich would ask me, Bolakum, where would you be born? You be the no. I would say, I would need to be born at the Dukpadiet. Because I love humanity. I love cultures. I love unity. And Dukpadiet provide that example, then we're quite a Duk. So, Nano Ranting, video dinner, Miadur, Ki Dungo Bagay, Kolel, Yamuchi Boljot, Siasatic, politics of South Sudan, what you ball bay in cultures. Well, I'm a member of this community. I hear things, I ping, I get tired. Well, since nobody want to talk about it, let me talk about it. And I've said yesterday, whether by Araraj, whether by Aranpiet, it doesn't change the subject matter. On behalf of Dukpadiet, we're quite young. I think I have answered the whole question. Swalia teach a bor, a yenoreka teach, a jengok teach. I believe I have answered it correctly. Work mixed tribe cultures of the Upper Nile region. Okay, one ethnic group, one only quite rumbek, quite a rule at all in among us. One only nur at among us. Quite a William Nguyen at among us. One only ngok, including Bolakum, at among us. I quite a Patel, we go by their names. I quite a Patel, Wood Patel. So, I think any shame to explain ourselves. Explaining this doesn't make us weak. We're taking this story to the public, it doesn't make us quite weak. And it should not be used as a target assassination character by anybody. Whether you're bore, you're tweet, you're to know, be very careful how you deal with us. We're not going to allow bullies to tell us or look down on us because of our mixed culture identity. So now you have understood. Then now, that tells you the admissions of our Sokomic culture began with me and Bolakum. Because without my Kenyan and where I would not be this human being you're looking at. So now this is out of the conversation. I want us, came Manuel, to Australia, to Canada, to here in the United States, or to in the government, or some few of you, she could brainwash in Yarway. Completely. They don't identify themselves anymore. It's okay. Nanong Tichin Cham the Yokten, Iran, Kwe Yok is more important than Pandun, Nyali Kani. Lakin da laliw unda ni chol wal kana akan mondang akan kondol the period. And the attitude we have is how we survive. Without that attitude we cannot survive, because work in a border country, in a border society, onong enemies everywhere. Onong enemies ononwer, onong enemies one bor, onong enemies one murle, onong enemies with other people. So in order to survive, you have to seriously mark your territory. And don't let anyone dare to cross that line. The one thing about Dukpadiet, okay, there, we don't know how to create problems. But when you bring your problem to us, we'll finish it the way you want it. Like Bolakum, I don't like trouble. But if you step on my foot, you will know where it all began and you will know where it all ends. But me to create problem first? Nope, not me. The same, that's the attitude of Dukpadiet. We don't know how to create problem to other people. People create problem to us, but we induce so much in the name of neighbors. Come on, whoa. We endure a lot of insult. We get a lot in the south of Ben, day and night, just to cover up bullshit of other people. Just to cover up nonsense of other community. But in 2026, moving forward, the game is over. We will no longer keep silent. I will not be the first and I will not be the last in this forum. You'll hear it from Diarkwa. You'll hear it from Nirkwa. You'll hear it from Wedamatkwa. You'll hear it from everybody else. We'll no longer keep quiet. So, I speak as an individual. I only have one life. I have only one chance in this world. I don't speak as a community. But I can assure you, 99% of things I'm talking about are some things everybody in this community called Duken go to sleep every single night in Australia, in Canada, in Europe, elsewhere, even here in the United States. Swallowing the pain of being insulted, being disrespected, being called name, or being taken advantage of. Well, I said those days are over. I started this, and I guarantee you there will be other more like me who will pick it up from there. So the thing in the caro ben la we monjang ku we ko je jure cholol, and I'm so sorry. I apologize nothing. If kichalweli elwet, go ahead. Take care my walto. Lekin we kawet chiro la tau koy kok rat. We cham ku pal koy panwon nyali ken wek. I know your name. We ka bany. We got it. Cham apiet en rana ben akor we cham. Which bola ko makor we cham. Lekin don't cham at the expense of your brothers and sisters behind. Ye cham hiran kulie jiko yinga to. Kai ken yin yinga chaka wan chien. Having said that, I believe this is the next step following last week's conversation when I questioned the idea of our unity, the Duken community. So Iran Lolo Ben and jam on social issues. I'm not insulting anybody. I'm just trying to warn people not to overstep the big mouth about us all. So in summary, what was I talking about? In summary, what I was talking about that anong swal chi thiech by a lot of people. To answer that question, actually, yes, a combination of tribe in the Upper Nile region. Okay, chol Galwak, okay, chol Tut, okay, chol Nyawit, okay, chol Nyabel, okay, chol a lot of kind of names. Yes. So there's no shame to admit working cultures within our society. Gol is made up of 4 sections of clan. Among Patel, people from Pawin, Ngok, Dinka. Among Angaj, Ner. Among Yil, Koikurumbek, I mean, among the Arong and Rumbek, Kabo, Rumbek, Lake State, to so you really I to admit, yes, okay, Jeng, Lakin, Jeng made off of different community group of the Upper Nile region. Full stop. Nano ran ngồi cái nòng cái đến khỏi bờ lưới, cái bây giờ lưới, run cái này, anh chị run là giờ bể rê đi ran, có chỉ có đu lưới, anh chị ran người dùng người min. So and bo life deliberately, but mit kagal, kunyir kagal, wherever they talk then. Bako yin awareness that bullshit is over. I can't do quite all kalat cake, but for no reason, you want to watch then quite. Okay, akonam between where ku jala jeng kitchen where it take bulapan bor throughout the years, because what to do intend we handle that. Lakin no matter what we do, no matter what we do, names still being called. Okay, bor enough. Okay, not enough. Okay, not enough. What is it? So to tell Ayarandai is bullshit is over. Enough is enough. I can another conversation on this topic. Although around the world are watching this very well. I can see you, Nyabel. Welcome on board. Are watching this and they're not going to take your nonsense lightly. All be japad by the United States. We'll still see this video. And we'll pick it up from where I left. And I'm going to can correctly. A big alcohol, a big cake. So, yinanga to wakendanam that work. Kwe yinanga wala luop group. Kwe yinanga trying to destroy us. Your days are numbered. We are watching. Thank you.